Hello, I'm Brad Green.
Hello, I'm Igor.
If you've been following our team for a while, you know we're a group that's driven by our principles. So this morning, we're going to talk about one of our core principles, which is being, hopefully, good caretakers of the Angular community and the Angular code base. But practically what we're going to talk about is why we're here, where Angular 1 is going, and where we see Angular going in the future. I hope you like it. Today, we're going to talk about how we're evolving the Angular of today, given this responsibility that you're trusting us with. But because of this, we're also going to talk about how we think we want to evolve Angular in the future and why we're going to work on Angular 2. Internationalization is important on desktop, but it's actually critical on mobile where you're trying to penetrate emerging markets. So you can hear about this from Chiraya, who's going to come up and talk about this new module for Angular. Better performance and the rest of the improvements in 1.4 are going to be covered by Lucas and Pavel at the talk right after this one today.
Because we expect that many of you will want to migrate to Angular 2 as quickly as possible, we're setting the primary theme for the future Angular releases to be the paving the path to Angular 2. But we want to take your input into account as well. So we're going to listen to your feedback and use that to gauge which priorities or which features we should prioritize. And about 100,000 of you interact with the Angular team on GitHub.
So now that we've said we have some migration that's going to happen, we better have a plan.
We thought about this and we came up with two strategies. We labeled them Big Bang and Incremental. As you probably haven't had a chance to work with Angular 2 yet, you might be wondering, how is Angular 2 different? Are the features that I like in Angular still there? How will the investment I made into learning Angular and writing Angular applications map to this new framework?
So, while the syntax and semantics have changed a bit from Angular 1, you're going to find, I think, all of the things that you grew to know and love about Angular 1 already in Angular 2.
Last year, at NG Europe, we announced AtScript.
So starting with ECMAScript 5, or what we just call JavaScript today, we wanted to see if we could help to move the ECMAScript 6 adoption faster by supporting it in Angular and promoting it here. We love ES6 for its basic developer productivity features and in help avoiding language pitfalls.
We also got excited about optional type system as delivered in TypeScript. And we also talked to Facebook team that works on Flow, and we had really good discussions about JavaScript and types in JavaScript.
We've also had many good conversations with some of our friends at Microsoft on the TypeScript team. In fact, we've made so much progress with them, I'd like to bring them on stage now. Please welcome Jonathan Turner, who's a program manager for TypeScript.
I'm happy to announce today that the next version of TypeScript really fills out this story, where we have ES5 and types sitting on top of ES6 and annotations working well with types. We have nice tooling across all of these features and nice ES3 and ES5 output as part of this. Really excited. Thank you.
Can I go now?
Now you can go.
The last performance trick we want to show to you is how Angular 2 can take advantage of immutable data structures.
Thanks so much. Let's have a great conference.
Thank you.